Intel stock is on the move, showing some strength. This is the post-market session of still the post-market session of Thursday the 14th. However, it's 15th. It's Friday the 15th. So stock is up 5.53%. Yesterday it gained 7.38%. So high prices are expected to remain in place at least up to Tuesday the 19th. Then after that, they might have a distributive contraction and may resume the uptrend by Friday the 22nd. So this is an extrapolation that is going all the way towards several hours, several days. Margin of error is high. We have, in terms of projections, we have 23.04. It is easily a downward projection. Yeah, it is a downward projection. The stock is at 25. Okay, we have 25.25 intraday high and just printed a few hours ago. So let's see what we have. There might be further upper projections. There should be, let's look over here, 23.71. It's still a downward projection. 25.36, nothing like that. I mean, not around, not really that much of an upper projection. Let's see, 23.70. Let's see. This is the 4 hour chart. Okay, might be able to see further upper projections on the daily chart. So we'll go back to that. So here we can see buying pressure is ramped up. Nothing negative here. Nothing negative. So this trend is within, or rather, is based on a strong foundation. Yeah, if you like. Let's have a look at its. Let's have a look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, we have, let's see, we should have upper projections here. We have 26.28. Yes, we do. 25.21, 23.49. Just, okay, 20, sorry, 26.28. We have 27.75, 26.52, 24.53. There are definitely a lot of upper projections. 29.19, 27.50. I think it's really a no-brainer. Intel stock has way more upside, way more upside. We shouldn't waste time talking about that. So we could just have a listen to the readouts concerning what's going on right now.
Here's a deeper dive into the recent bounce in Intel stock, driven by buzz over potential U.S. government investment and renewed political goodwill. Market catalyst: potential U.S. government stake. Stock reaction: Intel's shares climbed approximately 7 to 7.4% during regular trading, with an extra 3 to 4% in after hours trading following reports of government interest. Why the spike matters. Analysts see government investment as a vote of confidence in Intel's turnaround efforts and possible lifeline for its delayed Ohio fab project. Why this potential move is being considered. Strategic imperative. Intel remains one of the few US based chip makers with significant domestic manufacturing capabilities, crucial for national security and reducing reliance on foreign supply chains. Political and economic context. The Trump administration has previously taken stakes in companies like MP Materials and intervened in deals involving US Steel, AMD, and Nvidia. A move with Intel would be on a notably larger scale. Role of the Trump Intel CEO meeting. Softened stance. Just a week after demanding CEO Lip Bhutan resign over alleged conflict of interest, Trump met with him. Both later spoke positively of the encounter, signaling a thaw in relations. Foundation for talks. The meeting is widely seen as the launch pad for these government stake discussions. Investor sentiment and speculative buzz. Hope for a short squeeze? While some traders are chasing the rally on rumors of institutional support, there's no clear sign of a short squeeze at the moment, though speculation is rampant. Foundry ambitions reinvigorated. A government stake could encourage fabless customers to use Intel's US facilities, potentially revitalizing its foundry business. Long term optimism versus caution. Many see this as a stepping stone to deeper strategic resurgence, especially in semiconductors, while others warn government involvement could introduce regulatory oversight and political risk. What's next? Potential upside and risks. Upside potential. Ohio Fab Revival. Government backing could help accelerate Intel's heavily delayed Ohio chip factory. Foundry confidence. External validation may attract business from other chip makers. Strategic leadership. The administration's backing could reposition Intel as a cornerstone of U.S. chip innovation. Risks and caveats. Speculative stage. Discussions remain preliminary and unconfirmed by both Intel and the White House. Government oversight. A state could entail stricter controls, erosion of commercial independence, or political entanglements. Fundamentals still weak. Intel continues to lag peers like Nvidia and AMD in AI chip technologies. Capital alone may not close the gap. Summary table. Aspect, key insight. Stock surge. Approximately 7% jump plus approximately 3 to 4% in after hours trading after reports of government interest. Key driver, reports of possible U.S. government stake. Meeting catalyst, Trump 10 meeting helped pave the way. Investor sentiment, optimism over domestic resurgence, speculation over shorts. Upstream opportunity, revive foundry business and bolster Ohio fab. Potential concerns, political risk, oversight, and speculative nature.